Canva just dropped a brand new feature, and it lets you change the angle and perspective of any photo with just a few clicks. Whether you're creating product mockups, social media posts, or dynamic designs, this tool adds instant depth and realism. And before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar videos like this one. Without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first step is to open canva.com in your web browser, and of course, log into your Canva account. This new tool is going to be located at your main page, or your home page, and here it is. It's called Photo Editor, and it has an icon that looks like this. So just open this photo editor, and then a new window will pop up with a bunch of new tools which they had introduced. I will cover other tools in separate tutorials, and for this video, you'll want to click on this Perspective Correction tool. Now simply select a photo on which you want to change the perspective, and I'll quickly upload an image from my photo gallery. Here is my photo, and you will have the option to rotate your photo, do a smart crop, and similar. But we're interested in this perspective section, which will give us two sliders, and we have the vertical slider, which will change our perspective vertically, and the horizontal slider, which will change the perspective horizontally, or from the left side to the right. But yeah, take your time here and adjust your photo perspective to your liking, and I will see you in the next video.